Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will learn about Maya's project window. The project window is a very important feature for organizing Maya projects efficiently. That is why the first thing you should do in Maya is set up a project. First, click File from the top menu and then select Project Window. When the project window opens, if no project is currently set, let's create a new one. Click the New button. A field for entering the project name will appear. For this example, I will enter the name Ocean Project. It is best to choose a project name that clearly describes the work. Below that, there is a location field where you can specify where the project will be created. Click the Browse button and select the desired folder. For example, I will choose the Maya Projects folder on the D drive. Now Maya is ready to automatically create the folder structure needed for the project. Below, you can see several folder names such as Scenes, Source Images, and Images. These folders are the default directories Maya uses to manage project files. Once the setup is complete, click the Accept button. The project has now been created, and Maya will use it as the working project. Let's open the File Explorer and check the project folder. You can see that several subfolders have been created automatically. First, there is the Scenes folder. This folder stores Maya scene files. By default, this folder is used when saving files. Next, there is the Source Images folder. This folder is used to store texture images. Keeping texture files in this folder makes project management much easier. The Images folder is where rendered images are saved. When you render, the output files are stored in this location. After creating the project, let's save a file. From the File menu, choose Save Scene. Notice that the Scenes folder is automatically selected as the default save location. This is one of the biggest advantages of setting up a project. All related files are managed within a single project. You can also reopen an existing project. To do that, select Set Project from the File menu. Then choose the project folder you want to use. An important point is that you must select the project root folder, not the Scenes folder. In professional production, project management is just as important as modeling or animation. In this lesson, we learned about Maya's project window and how to set up a project. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell for more Maya tutorials. Thanks.